Magandang araw mga viewers ng aking channel. Salamat sa pagsubaybay sa aking health, wealth, and news na ina-update ko po paminsan-minsan ng ating news according sa inspiration ng ating malawakang pag-research sa mga nangyayari sa ating sanlibutan. As we know, ang Iglesia ni Cristo, which is populated by around 2.8 million adherents only in the Philippines, ay magsasagawa ng alleged rally in support of the call of President Marcos. Iko-correct ko po hindi sila nag-a-against kay President Marcos, but they are supporting the call of President Marcos in saying na walang impeachment that will be done or must be done by the Congress against BP Sara. Iko-correct natin yung mga ibinablog ng kapwa ko, mga influencers na against an iglesia. Uulitin ko po, you can Google it. If and when the Iglesia ni Cristo will really go to rally against the impeachment of the Vice President of the Philippines, it is in support of the call of President Marcos to hold the impeachment against the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines.